Iamdejahair here, and today I'm going to wand curl my hair. I don't think I've ever wand curled my hair before, and I want to try it. So I've had these curls in for a while. It's time for a new look. Okay, I've been wearing curled hair. It's been curled, and I want something different. I don't like crimps, but I'm ready for a new look, a new style. One thing about me, I don't like long hair. I do long hair for special occasions. My go-to are short hair wigs. I love bobs. I don't like long hair. Like, I've wand curled a short hair before, like a bob wig before, but I don't think I've ever had long hair with wand curl. So that's what we're going to be doing today. This is how it looks before. I'm going to take it off. We're going to wand curl it, and then we're going to install it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and comment any future videos that you would like to see. So you want to start row by row, and you always want to take tiny sections, like tiny section. That's how you get big hair, by taking tiny sections. And then I was going for like a big hair look, not too big, but you know, kind of big. But you want to take tiny sections. You want to take your wand curl. I got this wand curl from a clothing store, one of my favorite clothing stores, and I saw that they had a wand curl, and it was tiny and it was cute, and I'm like, I need this. Like, you know, I can use this on deep wave hair. Y'all can use this on deep wave hair too, if you want to make sure it's curled. But you just want to wrap it around the wand curl. You want to wrap it tight, and you want to leave it on for about like 5 to 10 seconds each, because you want to make sure that heat is hitting the strand so your curl can form. Now this is going to take like an hour and a half, 2 hours. It's going to take some time. This was not quick. You want to take your time. Don't rush it. Unless you like me, you a little last minute person. But don't rush it. Do not rush it. Because you want to make sure that, you know, each curl, you know, is formed correctly. Definitely go row by row. Don't just grab random pieces, because you know it'll appear sloppy. You don't want that. You know, you want your work to look very professional, very nice. You know, you can use any type of wand curl. You don't have to use the tiny one that I used. I'm not even sure what the dimension is on that wand curl. I threw the box away. I'm sorry. But you can use any wand curl. Like, I have another wand curl video. I will link it down below. I got that one from Walmart. And I think that one was by Revlon also. That one was for Walmart, and it was bigger. You can use any wand curl. You can even use flat irons. You can use curlers. I mean, it's not going to be wand curl, but, you know, you can get some type of spiral curl. But yeah, you just want to complete this around the entire head until you finish. I would use some holding spray, because you want to make sure that their curl holds. I will also put some heat protectant. I like using Fantasia. I love Fantasia. It is a heat protectant. It's in the red bottle. It is not too oily. It is not going to have your hair oily. You know, you're going to spray it 1-2 times, and that's it. Your hair is going to have like a nice glow. And then, you know, once you finish your wand curl, you want to spray it with some holding spray, because you don't want to, you know, do entire head of wand curls or curls and, you know, they fall right when you finish. You don't want that. So you just want to make sure that you are spraying your hair before and after. And yeah, that's how you do wand curls. But if you have any questions, comment down below. Or if you have any other future videos or any other videos that you want me to do, let me know, because I would love to do it. when you're adding your heat protectant or your holding spray, make sure you comb it through. You don't want to just spray it and then start working. You don't want to do that. You want to take a comb or you want to take a brush, and you want to brush the section that you're holding that you're getting ready to curl, because you want whatever you just sprayed on the entire bundle. Like, you want it everywhere. Can we just take a look at this color really quick? Because this color is just so beautiful. Like, just look at the tone, the different tone. It's just really beautiful. When it comes to the closure, you want to make sure the hair is flat as possible, like very flat. And as you are curling, wand curling, whatever type of curl that you're doing, when you are curling the frontal part or the closure part, you want to pull it as tight as you can. Pull it as tight as you can and make sure that it is flat, and it will come out beautiful. Once you get to the other side, you're going to repeat the same steps as you did on the previous side that you did. When it comes to putting the hair on the wand curl, you can wrap it, you can twist it. It does not matter. You just want to make sure that you are leaving the hair on the wand for at least 5 to 10 seconds. Sometimes I'll go even a little longer, but sometimes you can tell, like, if the curl will need to go on longer. Sometimes the more hair you use, the longer you need to keep it on, because the wand needs to ensure that it is getting all the hair that's wrapped around there, make sure it's going to form correctly. But you just want to go row by row. Don't rush it. You almost done. When you are curling the front, you want to curl backwards. You want to curl away from the face. Not towards your face, away from your face. Hey y'all, so I finished the wig. So now we are going to install it. And it's going to be a glueless wig install. So I'm going to take the wig off. So this is the wig. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna put the wig on. Mind you, this is a glueless wig with my hair circumference. Is it in the middle? I think so. Let me check. Okay, so now I need the baby hairs to be laid. The only thing that I have on here is a cap, and I have my hair braided underneath. And I have on a cap, and there's makeup on the lace, not the cap, just the lace. So now I'm just going to get some foam. And then I'm going to swoop, 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 swoop. Okay, and I'm gonna do the other side the same way. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. And then I do like to get some more foam. And then just pat it on there. Because this foam is like a hole. Like it's glueless, like it's glueless. My cap needs to be up some more, but it's already stuck down. So I'm gonna put on the scarf. You want to leave it on for about 15 minutes. You want to get your blow dryer. I want to get my blow dryer and blow dry it. Okay, so after it's dry, you just want to go over the hair. Look at the hair and see if there's any curls that you might have missed and just recurl it. If you used to watch my channel, you know that Fantasia is my go-to because it does not leave your hair oily, but it definitely adds some shine. And I just want to get the top of the closure as flat as possible, even though we already went through that, but I don't want a hat. I want a flat wig. And that is how you do a glueless install. This is a wig from my collection, Iamdejahair wig collection, using all of my head measurements. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.